Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to verify your Upwork account in 2025. So let's get right into it. Now, go on Google and search Upwork.com. And if you have the application in your devices, just click on that. Now log into your Upwork account by signing in your credentials. Click on your profile picture, select settings, and then go into identify verification. If verification is required, you'll see a notification. Here you will submit your required documents as asked by Upwork, which is your government-issued ID, which includes your passport, driver's license, or national ID. Now, for self-verification, you may need to take a real-time selfie. Complete a video call if required. Some users must complete short video call with the Upwork support team. Follow the instructions for answer basic identification questions. Now wait for approval, which usually takes around 24 to 48 hours. If rejected, review the feedback and try again. Tips for successful verification: ensure your ID is clear and not expired, and use the same name as your Upwork profiles. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.